In the era of ITOT convergence, OT networking is the catalyst for transformation and success. As your trusted industrial networking expert, Moxa is here to help you fully harness the power of OT technology. As your expert, we help you build unified network infrastructure for real-time precision and adaptive operations. As your expert, we design tailored industrial secure networking solutions to bolster your cyber resilience. As your expert, we offer reliable, scalable, and easy-to-manage solutions for resilient OT connectivity. We have your back. In a world where connectivity defines success, Moxa's future-proof industrial networking solutions ensure you're not just keeping pace, you're leading the way.